Hi, Professor. So today I'm going to talk about my favorite restaurant, which I would say is Little Sheep Mongolian Hot Pot. Which, if you don't know what that is, it's like they give you like the soup boiling on a stove at your table, and then you can add any other ingredients that you would like meat, or vegetables, or noodles, or anything like that. And the reason that I like it so much is, well, first of all, the flavor of it, but also the experience that I get when I go there, which usually involves like bringing friends and family and sitting there for a long time and chatting and having fun. So that's just another reason that I like it. If you're wondering why the page looks a little funky, like in formatting wise, is because I couldn't find the American page for some reason, and so I had to translate it on their like Chinese page. But if you haven't tried it, I would highly recommend it. I think that the one in Dublin is having an all-you-can-eat in July on like Tuesdays or something like that. But yeah, it's super good, and you should definitely try it if you haven't. So, thank you. Bye.